How to add an admin to Facebook page. So to start, what we need to do is to open our Facebook application, and then in here we'll have to switch to our Facebook page. To do that, tap on this profile picture. After that, select your Facebook page account and then tap on the switch option. Once we're done switching our account, we'll have to go back on Facebook page menu. To do that, tap on this profile picture. After that, tap on the settings icon, and then under settings and privacy, tap on the search icon, and then after that, we'll have to type here page access. After that, tap on search, and then tap on the page access option. So in here, we are now able to add an admin. What we need to do is to go here on this people with Facebook access, tap on the add new option, and then tap on next. After that, we'll have to search for the account that we want to add as an admin. So as an example, I'm going to search for my other account. Then I'm just gonna select this one. After that, it will now show me the list of things that my other account can access if I add my other account as an admin. At the bottom, you will also see this option, allow this person to also have a full control. If you want the other account to have a full control, simply toggle this one on. But you have to keep in mind that if you toggle this one on, anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone, including the owner of the page. So you have to be careful if you want to toggle this one on. Once you're done, simply tap on this give access option. After that, we will be asked to input our password here. All we need to do is to input the password and then tap on the confirm option to completely add an admin to our Facebook page. So that's how easy you can add an admin to your Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!